Here's why implants matter. There are so many people like you that are missing teeth, have been told that they need to have their teeth removed. They can't eat the foods that they used to be able to enjoy. They can't go out into a social setting. Well, dental implants allow you to regain your confidence. It's like getting all of your teeth back again. You're able to eat apples, bagels, corn on the cob. You're able to go out and smile again in a social setting. It's just overall giving you your self-esteem back. Some shortcuts or mistakes that I see happening at other implant centers. A lot of these doctors are performing these surgeries, placing dental implants. They have very little surgical experience. We call them the weekend warriors, where they go to a CE course for 2 days and now they want to start seeing the most complex cases. I'm an oral surgeon. I'm a medical doctor. I did 6 years of oral surgery training. I place dental implants every single day. I've done over 2,000 implants a year for the last 10 years. If you or a family member were gonna have dental implants, would you rather go to someone that's just placing a few every year, or would you rather come to someone like me and my oral surgeons that work at Newset that do this every day? What I would say to someone who's nervous about getting dental implants is, first of all, you're not alone. Every team member at Newset is gonna make sure that we help you through this journey. We're gonna make sure that you have a good experience. Another big factor is the financial burden. What I would say is that we offer many financial options out there. I know you've been told that dental implants are expensive and that you can't afford it, but what I can tell you is that at Newset, we'll work with you. We take most insurances, and foremost, we wanna make sure that we can help you. We're not a cookie cutter implant center. We're not gonna just have one treatment plan. We're not gonna just have one price. When you come in, we're gonna listen to you. We're gonna figure out exactly what's bothering you, what's concerning you. We're gonna encourage you to bring in family members, bring in old photos. We're gonna design your teeth exactly how you want them. We don't have just one design. Every patient is treated differently, and we're gonna make sure we get the results that you want. At Newset, we offer a lifetime guarantee. We're gonna make sure you regain your confidence, that you have a beautiful smile, and that you leave happy again, and that you're able to smile again.